Okay mga lods, let's go to round number 4. So aerobic exercise pa rin in the form of brisk walking, running and jogging. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Gumaganda na talaga yung pakiramdam natin mga lods. Sunisigla na tayo, lumalakas na. This is day 7 by the way. So nakaisang linggo na tayo mga lods. Yan yung nakikita nyo dyan sa background nyo, yung San Bartolome High School. Yan yung building na mataas na yan mga lods. Pakyat tayo mga lods. Okay, rest muna tayo dito. Thank you, thank you.